Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this one, I'm going to do the CPU throttling test comparison between the Mi 11X device versus POCO F3 GT device. So which phone has got what type of CPU throttling test results? That's what I'm going to compare between these both phones after a long time of using these both devices. So this is a question which has been requested by a few of my users, asked me to compare these both phones. The Mi 11X device has got the Snapdragon 870 chipset and the POCO F3 GT has got the Dimensity 1200 chipset. Let's say in this video we'll be trying to compare both phones side by side and we'll be able to find out which has got what type of results in the CPU throttling comparison. So all the apps are completely clear from the background RAM management. You can clearly see, friend, let me try to open the CPU throttling application. The CPU throttling application is open at this moment and I'm trying to use the same settings in both phones. So 100 threads and 15 minutes of time. So every time before doing this kind of testing, you should know what kind of settings I'm trying to use. So right now the battery percentage is exactly 100%. So it's kind of fully charged at this moment. So no doubts at all. Let's see which phone will be having what kind of throttling results and how much temperatures the both phones can actually increase. So same brightness I'm trying to use between these both phones, nothing much major difference in the brightness levels. And the temperatures in the beginning is 29 degrees Celsius and 30 degrees Celsius. Similar kind of temperatures we'll try to detect in these both phones. So nothing much huge difference in the temperatures wise. So again, I'll be back after maybe close to 5 or 10 minutes of time. Then we can actually discuss what is happening with the temperatures wise between these both phones. So I'll be back after some time, friends. So right now, as you can see, friends, the time is about close to 6 minutes of time. 6 minutes of temperatures in the Mi 11X device is 37 degrees Celsius and 36 degrees Celsius in the POCO F3 GT. So both phones are actually maintaining 37 degrees Celsius as well. Pretty close, nothing much huge difference with the temperatures. But you can take a look at the graph as well, how the graph is maintaining in the Mi 11X device, as you can see clearly. So I'm going to be back after some time, then we can actually discuss more details about the temperatures. So right now, as you can see, friends, we're getting close to exactly 15 minutes of time as well. Right now it's off, I think 13 minutes, and you can see the graph how it's not that stable in the Mi 11X device. It's kind of going up and down regarding the performance. You can clearly see how the graph is actually maintaining. So it's not like other Snapdragon 870 chipset in this device. So you can see the battery percentage also reached to 99% in the POCO F3 GT and 97 in the Mi 11X device while doing this kind of CPU throttling test, because we did start exactly around 100% of the battery capacity and now we got this is the results which we did expect, and 37 degrees Celsius and 37.2 degrees Celsius in terms of the temperature readings, not bad. So both are maintaining exactly similar kind of temperatures, but the thing is that regarding the performance and the graph, it's not that similar to each other. So we'll be able to find out after a few seconds. So finally, friends, we got the benchmark results between these both phones regarding the CPU throttling test results after 15 minutes of time, and the CPU throttle up to 79% and CPU throttle up to 78%. So it's kind of pretty close to each other, nothing much huge difference in the CPU throttling, you can clearly see. And regarding the maximum score, it's about 3,41,000, the maximum is 2,97,000. So the Mi 11X device did score the highest score, but it was unable to maintain that kind of level of performance consistently. It did not maintain. But overall the average is of 2,93,000 and minimum is 2,55,000. In every segment, the Mi 11X device was able to keep higher score than the POCO F3 GT. You can clearly see what is happening at this moment. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video, and this is a quick comparison between the graphs which I thought of just showing you. Both phones were not able to maintain that kind of consistent level of performance for a long time. So anything kind of below 80%, it's kind of average. So above 80%, it's kind of above average, and above 90%, it's kind of really good. That is how the graph will be there every time, the CPU throttling. And the battery percentage, 98% and 97%. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.